to the metal ion. Okay. For this we get to know the number of ligands. जितने नंबर होंगे ligand का वो उतने दोनों एटम्स को डायरेक्टली बॉन्ड करता है मेटल आयन को. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And the examples for this are also certain, like the coordination number and examples and shape. For an example, the coordination number is 4. So the example of this is NiCN bracket close 4 and 2 minus. So the shape will be a square planar.
Okay, ma'am.
And other example of this is 6, for example. The example is for this coordination number 6, CONH3, 6, 3 plus. So what is the shape now? Octahedral, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now coming to the shapes and the structures of coordination compounds. So there are 4 shapes and structures. First is linear structure. So for linear structure, there the coordination number is 2, and the example of the linear structure is AgNH3 2 plus. So the shape will be straight line.
Okay, ma'am.
This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to tetrahedral structure. Now what is tetrahedral structure? The coordination number will be 4, and the example will be of this ZnCl4 2 minus, that is zinc chloride. So the shape will be like a pyramid. It is clear, tetrahedral structure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now coming to the square planar structure that I told you first. The coordination number is 4, and the example of this will be PTNH3Cl2. Now the shape of this will be what? Tell me.
Sorry, ma'am.
The shape of this square planar structure will be of what shape?
Ma'am, square planar.
Yeah. It will be a square shape, no? Square planar structure. Saying it is a square.